See the one who's waving, you know.
Oh yeah, hi.
Hi guys.
I would like to meet them later as well.
All right. So Sahil, first of all, क्या है मतलब तुम्हारे नाम में ही प्रेम है, नाम में ही सलमान खान है, मतलब पिक्चर रिलीज होने से पहले 100 करोड़ मारने वाली है. लगता है तुमको ऐसे क्या क्या?
Actually, to blame is my dad. Wherever he is, his name is Prem.
हाँ, very nice, excellent. So I wish you all the very best for it.
Thank you.
लेकिन the scene is ना, आज सुबह जब मैंने पेपर खोला तो हर एक सर एक मिनट सर, हमारी बात होने दो पहले. तो,
Please यार.
हाँ, तो सीन ऐसा है कि every child, no, every Catholic mother wants his son to look like Shah Rukh Khan. Sadly, I don't look like every mother. हाँ, and then Chembur people especially this happens.
Lots of Chembur people here, no?
All the Chembur people in the house.
I'm from
Chembur. Feels nice. So we have a barista now, and also Costa Coffee, K-Star Mall. So सभी चेंबूर वालों के लिए kudos to you guys. हाँ, एक मॉल है हमारे पास. मुद्दे पे आते हैं. ये अब डांस की पिक्चर बना रहे हैं आप, डायरेक्ट भी किया है आपने, परफॉर्म भी किया है इसमें. Are you all excited? Are you all kicked? What's happening inside?
I actually don't know. I'm totally confused.
You're confused.
Yeah, very confused. I have all these mixed emotions. I don't know which one to choose.
Absolutely. तो एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ से थोड़ा आगे लेते हैं. जैसे मैं शाहरुख खान की बात कर रहा हूँ, सुबह सुबह पेपर खोलते साहिल प्रेम स्टैंड में शाहरुख खान होता है.
I'm standing with you now. Picture, please.
अभी लेना, बाद में हिट होने का पिक्चर नहीं देगा. सर एक फोटो लेंगे सर प्लीज. No, relax. It's okay. I'm normal. I'm fine. All right. So without any further ado, we also have one very, very special guest.
I will introduce her.
ठीक है, चलो.
The one and only actor, director, choreographer, and an amazing, amazing person, Farah Khan.
Ladies and
Hello everybody, good evening. Were you all waiting for me? I was waiting for you all. For 1 hour I was waiting till you all came from somewhere.
That's right, huh? She was.
मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तो पहला नशा जो एकदम स्लो मोशन में सब हुआ और उसके बाद अचानक ये into 100 हो गया मैड के साथ. ये साहिल ऐसे ही है, मतलब थोड़ा सा.
I know Sahil from a very long time.
जी.
और आप जो देख रहे हैं वो उसका स्लो डाउन वर्जन है.
Yes.
वो थोड़ा और भी मैडर था पहले.
अभी भी हूँ.
अभी और हो जाएगा पिक्चर लॉन्च के बाद. बट फ्रैंकली आई हैव सीन द फिल्म एंड इट्स अमेजिंग साहिल.
Thank you.
फिल्म देखने के बाद मुझे पता नहीं था कि किसने डायरेक्ट की है, because nobody told me that.
जी.
And I'm very close to his mom, Nishi. And I kept asking her, but who has choreographed this and who has directed this? She said, oh, I'll tell you later. And then I came to know that he's done at such a young age, it's truly commendable, Sahil.
Thank you.
It's something जो मैं करना चाहती थी हमेशा से. I wanted to make a movie when I was much younger, and I wanted to direct and, make a dance-based film. Or I did it much later in life, and you've got such a good chance to do it, and you've done an amazing job.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Farah ma'am, coming back to the question, pehla nasha to now the kind of dance
Should
form.
I stand up?
No, we are standing.
Yeah.
She's sitting.
So I look thinner when I stand.
पहला नशा and now the dancing that's happening,
Yes.
इतना transition हुआ है. तो different stages पे क्या आपकी your art has evolved, and what do you think of this dance form that has evolved, especially in India, हमारे films में?
I think what I see in MAD, M-A-D, I'm doing the hyphenated version of it. What I see in MAD about dancing, the dancing is something तो हमने आज तक शायद Indian screen पे नहीं देखा है. It's truly international. और I think ये बहुत amazing बात है कि हमारी country में अब हम accept कर रहे हैं all sorts of cultural dances, all sorts of forms of dancing. It's not just Bollywood. In fact, इन्होंने जरा भी Bollywoodize नहीं किया है कोई भी dance form को. You know what we do? We still take it and we'll make it little spicy and we'll मसाला डाल के उसको हम जैसे पंजाबी चाइनीज होता है वैसे कर देते हैं सब डांस को. But what is commendable is that you've kept the dance form true to what it is, and that I think is so refreshing to see in a Hindi movie.
Ma'am, during a few years back, I think a year or two back, during a cricket series, आपने भी पूरे इंडिया को डांस करवाया आपके
Jumping Japak.
I think it was epic, legendary. Everybody was dancing to it.
Yes.
So like for my house, no, मेरी मम्मी का हमेशा रहता है weeks पे पूरे हफ्ते में आप हमको नचाते हो, weekend पे your dad and your brother, you'll dance on my, मेरे इशारों पर. It's every woman's दिल की भड़ास.
Of course.
So now Sahil is on stage. He will dance to your tunes.
Please make me.
Sahil, I cannot even tell him he's such a good dancer and he's such an amazing choreographer. कि ये तो मुझे नचा देगा.
No. She's been
I
too
think,
kind.
but I think today we should see the trailer first.
Yes,
And
I
then-
agree. Okay, before we go, I would just also like to call the 3 other boys in the film, if they can also come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have Sahil's troupe on stage, please?
Abhishek.
So, ma'am, just a small thing.
Yes.
आप लोग पिक्चर में, साहिल के साथ हो. हाँ, आप यहीं पर आ जाओ.
मैं इसके साथ खड़ी रहूंगी तो मैं और पतली लगूंगी.
So, आप लोग पिक्चर में हो, तो साहिल जैसा डांसर है पिक्चर में. अब थोड़ी सी आपकी भी डांसिंग स्किल्स हम टेस्ट करेंगे. ये मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया था, साहिल ने डिसाइड किया. बहुत ही सिंपल है. आप तीनों सामने आइए, प्लीज. नहीं, कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है. आई प्रॉमिस इट्स नॉट रॉकेट साइंस. जस्ट कम इन फ्रंट. All three.
Come on.
Please, come on, ladies and
Come
gentlemen.
on.
Give them some love, please. Can we please have a big round of applause?
Come on,
Sir.
boys.
I have 4 fruits with me. When I say mango, you'll go right. When I say chiku, you'll go left. When I say banana, you'll go back. When I say watermelon, you'll go in front.
It should be the other way around, no? But okay.
Listen to the master.
So mango is right. Chiku is, banana is
Front.
Ah.
Oh, sorry, back. Okay.
back. Watermelon is front. Okay. So 5, 6. No, I will just say the fruits. 5, 6, 7, 8. Banana. Your fruits are in the wrong place, my man. Chiku. Oh, sorry, the chikus are in the wrong place. No, the chikus are here. How can they be here? That's watermelon. Mango. Siddharth got it right. Banana. Sorry, I'm sorry. Abhi got it right. Banana.
This is the worst dance class I've ever seen.
I agree.
I just
What
want
is
to tell
happening?
y'all.
It's a dance
my
film.
God. This is the worst dance class I've ever
Only Abhi sustained it.
Just
Thank
to be
you so
clear,
much.
these two are not dancing in the film. Okay, he is. They are not.
Thank you so much.
What a fabulous trailer. Superb, Sahil.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nishi, well done. I've seen the movie, but the trailer makes me want to see it again.
Well, we have the Q&A session. आप एक एक करके सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. प्लीज अपना नाम और अपने चैनल का नाम जरूर लें. Sir, could you just say your name and your...
Yeah, it's Siddharth here from Bollywood Helpline.
Hi.
What made you to think about direction? I mean,
Well, I was not going to direct this film. I had written it because something like this actually happened to me when I was studying in Sheffield. When I was dancing, someone came up to me and told me, "Where are you from?" And when I told him India, he had a shocked reaction, as if Indians can't do this. And I took offense to it, and I'm kind of patriotic. I've been wearing this. So I came back and wrote the film, but I was not going to direct it. I had another director. But something went wrong, and the director had to leave 3 days after shoot, and I had to direct it. So it was more of a necessity.
Sahil, hi, Abhishek here from Zoom.
I can't see you, Abhishek.
Yeah, towards your right.
Am I right?
It's okay, so you can hear me,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Congrats. It's the outcome has come good,
Thank you.
and we can find some similarity between Step Up. So if I'm not wrong, similarities पूछे जाएंगे तो उस पर
Of
आप
course.
क्या करेंगे?
Similarities तो होंगी क्योंकि डांस फॉर्म यूनिवर्सल है, वो कोई भी कर सकता है डांस. Just because Step Up has started, it doesn't mean it belongs to them. This happens in every street in London, in US. So it's not Step Up in that sense. The dance form, yes, is similar to Step Up, but the film is very different. You will see.
फरा, जैसे आपने कहा कि कुछ देर पहले कि आपका भी ड्रीम था ड्यूरिंग योर यंग एज, यू वांट टू डायरेक्ट सच काइंड ऑफ डांस फिल्म. नाउ बीइंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड डायरेक्ट, डू यू फील दैट it's a better time to go for it now?
I think नहीं, पहले भी टाइम की बात होती है, बट आई थिंक अभी जो ये डांस फॉर्म्स हैं वो बहुत एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी पा रहे हैं इंडिया में बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरियस रियलिटी शोज एंड वेरियस. अभी तो मतलब छोटे टाउन्स में भी दे नो व्हाट इज बी बॉइंग एंड व्हाट इज ब्रेक डांसिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, हिप हॉप एंड ऑल. मैं इतने रियलिटी शोज कर चुकी हूँ, और जो भी वो डांसर्स आते हैं वो बहुत छोटे शहरों से, गांव से आते हैं. They watch it on YouTube, they learn it and they come. So it's really caught on in a big way in our country. It's quite a craze, I would say. So I think this is actually the right time to get out a movie like this.
और अगर फरा बनाएगी अगर आने वाले समय में फिल्म, तो who will be the perfect cast for you?
See, my movie is anyway about bad dancers. So, and I have the perfect cast for it. But we'll come to that later. Farah? Here, your first movie in which you're starring, I think very few people have that to their credit. बहुत difficult काम होता है सिर्फ डायरेक्ट करना, मगर आप जो फिल्म में लॉन्च हो रहे हो उसका ओनर्स लेना, और suddenly it's up to you to put the shot. You have to act, and there's no one telling you whether you're good or bad or how you're doing. You have to look at everyone else. I think it's really commendable. I think he deserves another round of applause for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Sahil. This is Amit Bhatnagar
Hi.
from Soch Magazine. I just want to know what is the difference. I mean, as you know that last movie ABCD was did a superb